New watches. I know, I've just been through a detox. Am I allowed to look? Let's see what's come in. Well, let's talk about this one. Okay, so Zelos, one of my favorites. I'm a bit of a Zelos fanboy. I've seen 3 of those come out in the last few months. We've seen the Helica. Wow, love the mother of pearl wave pattern one. Not so sure about the others. The new Swordfish 42mm titanium. I did order the black PVD and Blood Moon one and promptly cancelled it because of my detox. It was, I don't know why. I had no good reason to buy it, so I didn't. And the Zelos GT, which I thought was interesting, just didn't execute particularly well. So I think those are on the screen now. They're really nice watches. So the Helica, really cool design. And we begin to see people not only thinking about the dial design, but also the bracelet or the strap. That matters as well, and I can see Microbrands are thinking about that. Great, more of the same, please. We'd like that. Moving on, Venezianico. Well, they're constantly busy, and I think they seem to have a monthly release schedule. So the Redentatori, the Utopia has just come out, which is pretty expensive and gorgeous with their own movement. I love that. But I don't think I'd spend £4 on that particular Microbrand just yet. I can see at some point it'll be a bit of a serious collector's item, but beautiful, not for me. They had a nice bronzo come out, a sort of bronze. It didn't have any applied markers. It's kind of like the Musso Black watch, which is really cool, like that. And then the Arsenale Meteorite and Aventurine. Adventurine watch, beautiful, very classy, love all that stuff, doing a great job. Venezianico, really love that stuff. It sits in a class of its own. It's very classy stuff. Zelos, very divey oriented. Both of those 2 houses are very they're really thinking about it. They're really making a good effort. Next one I came across was Straum, the Jan Maen Aurora Sky. Oh my god, awesome, love it, can't afford it, love it. Beautiful idea. But on the other hand, I sort of look at it and go, would I wear it? I'd wear it, right? I'm just gutsy enough to wear it, but would I wear it with a suit or anything like that? Tricky, don't know. Beautiful. I'll put those up on the screen as we talk. There's the Alpine Glow, the Meltwater Teal, Tundra Brown. Just, again, this is a Swedish company who are coming out with absolutely beautiful watches and straps, really thinking about the light catch and the development of those. I'd like to see more of. They don't seem to get many reviews out there. Happy to review one if you like me. Watch from Mike by. Happy to review one if you want. Thank you, Straum. Next to come across was the Vario Empire. The Art Nouveau, right? I've got an Empire with the mother of pearl in the middle. Beautiful watch, very dress watch. The Art Nouveau, oh my god, that is just so beautiful in the way they've done the guilloche and design. I know they are very into the kind of Art Deco period, and it really shows in this particular watch. Yeah, if I'd spare cash, I would. Would I wear it? Not that often. It's definitely a dress watch, but oh my god, it's really nice. Other one is Maen. I think that's how you say it, M-A-E-N. And Nico Leonard. They kind of did a thing together. Can't stand it. I mean, the finishing is amazing. Really nice, but Yema, French company, the Skin Diver. It's been around for a while actually, but I came back to it recently. They have a really amazing, it's like a snakeskin bracelet on that one. It's about 2,000 euros, a little bit expensive for me, but I do love the bracelet, and that's what attracts me to that. A few others flipped in while I was scooching along. The Brew watches from New York. They do great things. I've got a couple in my collection. I've got the original metric and the new super metric. They've now brought out the Brew metric mechanical, which is about $600 or $700. It looks all right. I mean, it sort of fits the line. I can understand why they brought it out. Would I? No. Henry Archer, their Tesseract watch. I quite like Henry Archer. There's quite a few that they're putting out there that are fun, interesting. Again, more innovation than many others. So Henry Archer, have a look at those guys. And then two other ones that I've come across that I thought were kind of fun. Atowak. Oh yes, this is just, oh my god. They brought out the most amazing thing. I'm going to put it on the screen now and put a link in the description. Take a look at that. It brings a whole new meaning to Tumblr. It's really expensive. It's like $4,000 or $5,000. If I had it, would I? Yes, I would. It's mental. It's the sort of thing you'll never get from anybody else but Atowak. Really cool. Take a look at the at that one. And then the final one, which I discovered today for no apparent reason, I was again looking at French watches, the Briston, which have been around for a while, doing funky kind of acrylic-y watches, which were a little bit avant-garde and kind of oldie worldy, but very nice designs. They've brought out the Streamliner Kennedy, or is it the Streamliner? I can't read my own writing. I think it's the Streamliner Kennedy, which is very Cartier tank or Cartier Santos type of watch. Beautiful watches. So that's my roundup. You've seen them flip up on the screen. Just thought I'd share you with those with you guys to see what I saw. Have I bought any of them? No! Hurrah for my wallet. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.